Ah, shoot. Hey, it's Clay. Just missed out on this. Actually, I need to get another order out there. Dang it. Right before this video got rolling, I got filled on this pre-market trade. But hey, welcome. It's Clay. This will be a live trade video where I hopefully capture some live trades, as I just missed that one. So I'm well aware of the irony there. But it is 9:04 a.m. Eastern time. So still quite a bit of time before the market opens. But ESPR was looking like it could present some pre-market trades, and it very well still may. So actually, let me get that order out there. And I picked up some shares at 47.50. You can see at 9:03 a.m. and then sold them about 30 seconds later. So literally while I was getting the screen recorder in place and all that sort of good stuff, it got filled literally right before I hit the record button. So it is what it is, but potentially maybe have an opportunity to get some at 46.50, just 300 shares. It's pre-market. This one is very volatile, down over $23 currently on the day. So this one is getting hammered, and I've traded ESPR in the past, and this one can just move quickly regardless. So the day is not yet opened officially, at the 9:30 mark, and I am up 105 now on it. Again, I got 47.50 and then got out at 47.85, and now have a new order to restart the process at 46.50. So we'll see if it can get down there or not, and hopefully I can capture another pre-market trade. But Mark, if not, I'll see you back at the open, which is still about 25 minutes away. So I will keep you updated. All right, it's moving down, potentially 46.50. Of course, it stops right there at 46.55, although... So let's see if we can get 46.50. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, I moved that order down to 46.20. So we'll see if we can get a breakdown through 46.50 and then a continued quick plunge to the downside. Again, only 300 shares, nothing gigantic, but I want to, manage some risk a little bit. I'd like more than 300 shares, but for the first entry, I'm just trying to keep it conservative here. And that's the problem with pre-market. Sometimes there can be quite a bit of dead time, as we're seeing now, but then all of a sudden it can plunge. So I will do my best to capture it, but it is very volatile and very quote-unquote jumpy. So I'm going to go ahead and pause. Well, market opens up here in less than a minute, and nothing ever came about from those orders. So no fills, but I am going to keep watching ESPR out of the opening gates. First order at 45 for 300 shares. Ideally, I would like more than 300, but I just want to ease into the position. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. All right, the markets are open. Let's see if we can get a break here of 46 and then get down to 45. Looking like there could be a chance of that. As low as 45.50 so far. I will keep you updated. All right, it's easing its way down to potentially 45. Getting closer. Okay, I am in. We'll look to pick up some more at 44 if it wants to drop down there. Okay, never mind. It filled me at 45.35, so there's a quick trade there. I will look to do the same once again with an entry point at 44. So let's see if it can fall down there or not. Fast mover, as you've seen. I'm going to go ahead and pause. I'll keep you updated. All right, have an order. Oh, that happened fast. Have an order at 50.35 here. On ESPR. See if this is some sort of dead cat bounce or not. Once again, just an introductory order. So 50.35 on the entry point. It's got to break up there through 50. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this to 50.50 now. So let's see. I'll try to at least capture the break of 50 on video. We'll see how it reacts, if it can get back up there. All right, now it's pulling back. So, all right, I'll keep you updated. All right, I got some shares here at 50.50. Let me throw out my order there. Got out. So we're going to change this to 51.35 now. Let's see if I can get those. And still not even looking at the ESPR chart. There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change these to 51.95. There we go. So let's see, what was that? 50.35 got out at 50.35. Making another move up here. Let's see. Again, 51.95 will be my new initial entry point. I think I captured the entry point. I don't know. I don't know if I captured the entry point on video or not. I know I for sure got the exit. But I was busy looking over at YUMC. Ooh, match going again. All right, let me get this alert in the chat room too while we watch. There we go. So we'll keep an eye on that one. This one was getting really hammered yesterday. We'll switch back over to ESPR. All right, so now this one's kind of just hovering right here around 50. We'll see if it can get up through. I'm going to change that to 52.45 now. Just double checking. There we go. All right, I will keep you updated. All right, looking for a break of 52. 52.45 is the entry. Okay, I got those. We'll look for some at 53.25 if it wants to break up through there. And 53.45. All right, never mind. It gave me the trade once again, but I will look to restart the process. Actually, let's do 53.45. I could have gotten a better entry. And yes, I'm talking to myself a little bit right now. So double checking. 53.45 will be the next entry point. So let's see. We're 11 minutes in, up 300, although some of that was pre-market. But regardless, for sitting around in my underwear pressing buttons, I'll take it. I need to get this setup alerted real quick, though. Look at this CNC. Just an absolute monster. This was alerted earlier on in the chat room. Look at that thing. Just keeps on going after the gap down. Pretty crazy stuff. Let's go back over to ESPR, though. Oh, wow, I'm in. That was fast. Okay. Or I want 53.30. We'll look for some up there at up above 54. All right. Double checking. Same process, 54. See if it wants to break up through there. It's going for the break. Well, it was going for the break. And now it's pulling back here a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Have an order in to short 300 shares at 33.95 on NANO. We'll see if it can get up there or not. Order at 13.37 here on AKRX. Getting beat up pretty good here. I want to get this alerted in the chat room, but I'll let the video roll while I alert it. Okay, been alerted to the chat room. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but somebody's... Maybe I should close the office to my window. All right, I'm going to go close the window real quick. It's the Mosquito Squad. I think it's a franchise. Do you have the Mosquito Squad around you? Amazing. My wife and I live back off the road, and you know, we have some woods and stuff around us, and the mosquitoes used to be terrible. But we found the Mosquito Squad. Best money ever spent. Granted, I have 4 eyeballs now from all the chemicals they spray in our garden, but that's okay. 4 eyeballs, that just makes me see more in the market. All right, I'm going to go ahead and... Bad joke, I get it. I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, wow, we're over at 10 minutes. All right, I'm going to pause it. Have an order at 54.45. 500 shares. Well, broke above 54 temporarily, but back down it goes. Never mind. All right, have an order at 55.75. 300 shares to try to get my feet wet here. Let's see if I can get up there. $55.50 that key break. All right, given the way it's pausing, I'm going to change it up to 95. And we'll see if I can get that or not. I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end it. Things seem to have slowed down. It is now about an hour into the day, and I haven't been paying super close attention. Nate's actually coming over, and we're going to be doing some videos for the other parts of the YouTube channel. That if you're a follower, then you know we have different segments, so we got to record some of those. So I have to get moving for the day, but I'll take it. 3:45 for probably about 30-ish minutes worth of work. Like I said, I've been off kind of doing some other things too, but I'm happy with it. If you are interested and you enjoy these videos, the easiest way to communicate that to me is click that like button. So if you want me to keep making these, then I will spend my time doing it. I just want to make sure I'm not wasting my time. So I want to make sure people are interested. So again, just click that like button, subscribe to the channel. Lots of other content on it if you are new to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, perhaps what are you talking about, Clay? You got to alert things to the chat room. What is that? If you go to claytrader.com and go to the inner circle, that is a private community that I offer only $99 per year, not per month or any other type of ripoff out there, just per year. And you know, so if you can trade alongside me and others, and then if you want to learn how to trade with charts and kind of the tools that I'm using, again, you can go to claytrader.com, and I offer many training online videos with that. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I will see you back next week. Thanks for hanging out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.